Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, April 18. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the US dollar yen here. 60 minutes time frame. We have the pair rallying within the C leg. So you can see EPC in a 5 ways up. And soon it's going to be ending this with 5 of C, and that should also end Y and with 2 before it turns lower again. So in other words, I think we are getting close to a potential reversal in the US dollar yen. Either we extend a little bit more, or we could be practically ending any time now because we have enough number of swing. Okay, now if I zoom out a little bit and get an idea of the larger time frame, let's zoom out on the 4-hour time frame now. So this is what we got in the 4-hour. So we got this X here in 130.6, right? 130.6 is somewhere here. So if I copy this, that will be in the X, and that means if this is the X, this has to be in the W, right? So we are looking for a WXY structure here, and if you measure the extension, then basically we are already more or less reaching the 100%. We can extend a little bit more, but this is practically in the area where we can see some sort of resistance between 134.8, 137.4, and then from here we can start to reverse on the downside, either to extend to new low, or now in this case again, if you look at the 1 hour, this one is going to be ending with 2. So again, if we extrapolate what that means this is going to be ending Y and also ending 2. So then you can kind of conclude that this has to be a 1 here, right? So we're looking for a 1, 2, and then once we finish this current rally, we should reverse and potentially can break below this low again. Now another option, if I zoom out even larger time frame, daily time frame, okay. So let me copy this one here. That's your 1 here. Okay. So zooming out here in the larger time frame, we still have not broken the previous low here. So the other option here is actually doing another double from here. So in that case, we can see something like this instead before turning lower. But this one looks impulsive here. So technically, this is proposed to be basically favored to be going lower. Against this peak here in October last year, and in the more aggressive view is against this peak here in March this year, right? So against March this year we can extend lower, and if this March this year fails, then it's going to be doing another 3 swings higher from the lows like this, and it's going to fail against October 2022 for the downside. But step by step, for now we are taking the more aggressive view and calling it lower against the March 2023. But it is basically my duty to explain to you what the alternates are, right? And the alternates are going to be doing another double from here, which can extend higher like so before it turns lower. But for now, the more aggressive view is turning lower against this peak here, which is what you see in the 1 hour time frame. Technically speaking, it's going to be turning lower against March this year at 138 approximately. So this rally in 3 swing is going to fail for another leg down, okay? And this will be potentially in the area where we can get some sort of reversal here in the US dollar yen. So that's the idea here, and that's the update for today, and I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.